Hey, welcome back everybody. I am Vamsi Kanakam. At the beginning of my college, like when I was in my first semester, I know nothing about programming languages. I just know three names: C, Java, and Python. I even don't know how they are written, the syntaxes, nothing. As we were in first semester, we were introduced to a course called Problem Solving Using Java. In that course, we were taught flowcharts, pseudocodes, loops, conditional statements, up to functions in that first semester. And we thought, like, yeah, Java is done. In the next semester, we will opt for Python or some other language. So, in the second semester, we took a course called Data Structures. Then we realized that there are much more in the programming language to be known. So when will you say that I completed a particular language, and what a programming language actually consists of, and what are the additions to that particular language to learn, and what are the additional things to learn for that particular language. So now I'll clear everything about this. So according to me, those are divided into four categories, because in my college they are divided into four semesters, four subjects for each semester. The first one is learning the basics of the programming language. So what basics does any language consist of? Actually, the basics consist of pseudocodes, drawing flowcharts, and data types, variables, conditional statements, loops, arrays, strings, functions and recursions, etc. Once you study all of these topics and perfect it, then the next comes is object-oriented programming. The object-oriented programming consists of classes, objects, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, and encapsulation, etc. Once you finish the first and the second one, like basics of the language and object-oriented programming, then you can say that you finished a language. Now, for making the code more optimized, so here comes a thing called data structures. So in the data structures, you will optimize the code you written in any particular language. So data structures consist of time complexity and space complexity at the beginning, and the next one is types of data structures. There are two types basically: linear data structures and non-linear data structures. Linear data structures consist of arrays, stacks, queues, and linked lists. Non-linear data structures consist of trees and graphs. So once you completed the data structures part, and next you will go to algorithms. When it comes to algorithms generally consist of topics like divide and conquer method, brute forcing, branch and bound, dynamic programming, and backtracking, etc. A lot of colleges use C as a primary language, where in this language they cover all the basic concepts of programming up to functions, etc. So next, when it comes to object-oriented programming, C doesn't have any object-oriented programming model. When it comes to object-oriented programming, they will choose either C++ or Java, or some even choose Python. C++, Java, Python are object-oriented model, whereas JavaScript is a document object model, as JavaScript is more dominant in the web. So that's it for today. So in the next video, I want to share you with some of the most popular and common programming languages. If you have any value added through this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Have a good day.